People often ask, why do children in foster care need a lawyer? Let's see through a child's eyes. Can you remember life as a child? School, friends, carefree. What if in a moment's notice that carefree life got flipped upside down? You can't go home, your parents, siblings, all of your belongings gone in an instant. Now imagine that amid the confusion, you're taken to a courthouse. Everyone is using big, confusing words. You don't know if you've done something wrong. Life feels terrifying. Then a grown-up walks in and says, "Hi, I'm your lawyer. I know this feels scary, but we're gonna get through this together." In that moment, you're no longer alone. Someone is there to fight for you, to ensure that your voice is heard, and to help you find your way home. Children's Law Center of California serves as the lawyers for children in foster care in Placer and Sacramento counties, where we represent 1,500 children and youth. What does legal representation for a child in foster care look like? CLC takes a holistic approach, focusing on the whole child to ensure that they have a voice when the court makes difficult decisions about their lives. This could be cross-examining a witness in juvenile court, so 2-year-old Rachel, exposed to drugs and serious domestic violence, does not return to an unsafe situation. Or it could be holding 20-year-old Anna's hand while she gives birth for the first time alone. We are often the only trusted adults to remain by a child's side through their entire journey in the child welfare system. One CLC client shared, "My CLC attorney made me feel like they were truly the only person in my corner, constantly advocating for me. For them, it was always about what was in my best interest, not my mother's, not the system's, just me." Recently, the cases that CLC works on have become more urgent and complex. Our clients are deeply affected by the housing shortages, mental health epidemic, a rise in child sex trafficking, and the fentanyl crisis. Cases require more time and support. In response, CLC has created multidisciplinary teams that can work together to ensure that all of the child's needs are met. Attorneys, social work investigators, and specialty staff. Avengers, but for children in foster care. However, there's only so much that we can do with our limited state funding. Our attorneys currently have 141 clients on their caseload. To put that into perspective, if everyone in this room was a child in foster care, there would only be 3 attorneys to represent all of them. We're here today to ask for your help. We are trying to raise $150,000 to hire 2 peer advocates, young adults who have experienced the foster care system and can serve as mentors to our older clients as they prepare to enter adulthood, assisting with navigation with housing, healthcare, education, and more. By adding 2 new heroes to the team, we are one step closer to ensuring that children in foster care are seen, heard, and can find their way home.